Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress locally. Developing WordPress on your own computer offers incredible flexibility and a safe space to experiment without affecting a live website. It's perfect for learning, testing new features, or building client sites before deployment. We'll cover everything from setting up your environment to getting WordPress up and running, ensuring you have a smooth and efficient development workflow right from your desktop. Let's get started. Setting up your local server is the foundational step. We'll explore popular options like XAMPP, WAMP, or Local by WP Engine, which provide the necessary Apache, MySQL, and PHP components. I'll guide you through downloading and installing your chosen software, ensuring it's correctly configured on your operating system. This setup creates a powerful, self-contained environment on your machine, ready to host multiple WordPress installations. It's simpler than you might think. Once your local server is ready, installing WordPress is straightforward. First, you'll download the latest WordPress files from the official website. Next, we'll create a dedicated database for your new site using your local server's tools, like phpMyAdmin. Finally, we'll run the famous 5-minute installation process, connecting your WordPress files to the database. This will give you a fully functional WordPress site accessible only from your computer, ready for development. With WordPress installed, you can now dive into development. You'll access your local WordPress dashboard just as you would a live site, allowing you to install themes, plugins, and create content. This local environment is ideal for safely testing changes and building out your site without any public exposure. When your project is complete, I'll briefly touch upon how you can migrate your finished local site to a live web server, making it accessible to the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.